Hello there everyone and welcome back. So today guys, we're going to do our first video this year, and it's going to be about this Vax vacuum cleaner, a wet vacuum extractor, a basic non-industrial home use compact. Let's get into it guys.
I just want to show a little review, a little technique I figure out myself personally, because I'm just a beginner when it comes to carpet cleaning, but I've played around with this thing a little bit. So first of all, I want to talk about the build quality of this device. The plastics on this device is quite nice. It's not the top end quality, material that you can get, but it's very good. A little bit about this device. So you get two reservoirs. One is the extraction reservoir, where you pull out all your dirt and gunk from the carpet. The other one is a chemical reservoir, or you can just pour water in it. You have a hose which can be wrapped around and fixed in this plastic bit here that comes with the pressure this extractor, and everything is very compact, mobile. You can wrap your cord around this. As you can see, I already got it connected. This comes with two sets of brushes. One is a rubberized kind of brush, but this one is just a bristle kind of brush, which is actually not too bad. It has a self-cleaning function as well, so you clean down the hose, and the hose inside has also got this pipe from where the water is delivered into the suction hose itself. For me personally, it was really hard to figure out how this thing works. I watched a few videos, and I think I've kind of reached a certain point where I think I know what I'm gonna do, what chemical I'm gonna use, and I've tried many chemicals, but today I'm gonna use their one, and I'm gonna use it on this carpet and on this carpet as well. This is a carpet from my car. I'm not currently using this, but it has a few stains. This is not actually a stain. This is where the leg sort of rests, because it's a manual car, and you hold your right leg on this pot, and has a lot of dirt here still. So the technique here is pretty simple. First of all, I'm going to show you step by step. What I'm going to do is I'm going to saturate this whole carpet in chemical, the one that they provided with. I actually put it in a water bottle, in my wireless water bottle, by the way. The dilution ratio, I use the same as they would suggest in this tank. Can't really tell you how much this is, but the point is I'm going to oversaturate this whole carpet with their cleaner.
A pump spray would probably be a bit better, and you would saturate a lot quicker and would be easier.
We're going to use the drill brush today to make it as effective as possible.
A drill brush attachment makes it easier to agitate the carpet and makes the whole process easier and more effective.
Because when I first started extracting without water, and that was the issue. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to go straight in to extracting, and I'm going to do it this way so you guys can see what it pulls. See guys, this is how much dirt I pulled out. It's quite a lot, isn't it? This area that I mentioned where the leg rests the most, you get the most transfer of dirt. The surrounding areas, the dirt isn't equally distributed all over the carpet. So Other areas are fine, they're more or less clean, but this one specifically I'm going to work on, then try and extract it further on.
When the carpet is contaminated like this, guys, it might be a good idea prior to extracting it to give it a few passes with a pressure washer, agitating it with the chemical, of course, to free up as much dirt as you can by just rinsing it.
Filth is still coming out. It's that bad. You know, you need to work it on, but you get the point. It's a, you know, it's a repeat, rinse and repeat process, so to speak.
So as you can see, guys, this white patch is the clean part of the carpet and the rest is pretty much surrounded by dirt. So I just sprayed the chemical, agitated it with the brush that was included, extracted it, did one lapse, and the results were pretty satisfying. It's not as dirty as the car carpet is, and you know, it dried pretty quickly. I think it only took about a few hours. The results are pretty satisfying. Ultimately, when it comes to chemical, guys, I recommend to use a dedicated carpet or fabric cleaner. They smell nice, they don't foam up as much, so it's easier to extract them, and some of them crystallize within the fabric if you don't pull all of it out, meaning that it's safe to leave some of the product in the carpet. I will be definitely doing more videos with this carpet extractor in the future, guys, in other areas of the car too. So thank you for watching the video, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next videos.